Let's model a screw M3x0.5. This is a kind of screw, flip head screw. M3x0.5. The thread depth 6 millimeter, head depth 2.5. Then there is one more step, 1.75 millimeter with radius of 2.3 and 0.69. This 0.1. Now there is a one taper, depth 3.9, 70 degree. And here we have chamfer 0.5 into 45, we will see. Then there is a one square cutout 3 into 3, 0.6 into 0.6, corner radius 0.8, and all unspecified fillets are 0.1. Okay, let's see how we can do this. Front plane sketch, activate line tool. Okay, connect, draw a line and connect from here to, okay, we need to create a curve, 3-point arc. First point, second point and third point place somewhere here. Now activate one line, draw one vertical line, make sure line, construction line, and this line tangent with this curve. Center line, construction line, let me define. Keep cursor outside, define radius, outer radius, diameter 3 millimeter. Okay, here I am going to add one 2.3, 2.5, 1.75. Now hold shift key, select distance from here to here, keep diameter 6 millimeter. Okay, let's check what else balance. Okay, this is the 6 millimeter. Okay, line, and here we have one taper, angle 70 degree, distance from here to 3.1. Now let's trim this. Trim entity, power trim, keep this line construction line. Okay, make this line also construction line. Look, it seems fully defined sketch. Apply revolve boss base because I want to make close circular body. Close, yes. By default, let me select this line as the axis of revolution. By default 360. Okay. Okay, let me apply here chamfer. Zero point 3.5 is too big. Okay. Now drop down hole wizard, see thread option. Say okay. And here first you have to define cylinder edge. So this is the outer edge. Now here the next you have to define start location or start face. I'm going to select this face. Up to thread, want to extrude up to this face. Okay. Now come down. I want to remove material, so keep here metric die M3x0.5. Cut thread. If I am going to do one thing, offset, reverse. See? Similarly, offset 2 millimeter, inside. Now I want to trim both. Trim with start face, trim with end face. Say okay. Look. Now select this face, sketch. Now here select 3-point center rectangle. First point, second point, and drag third point. First point vertical, second point, third point. Now select these two equal. Similarly, these outer lines equal. Smart dimension 0.63. Okay, if you cut any line, you will face some miss some constraints. So I'm going to keep as it is. Extruded cut. But here you have to choose face. In selected contour, you have to keep cursor and select all close geometry. See, start condition 7 millimeter away from reverse. See, this is going to start 7 millimeter from this face, and from this end direction keep through all. See, fillet 0.5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now again fillet. Now this time 0.1. Select inside and this outer edge. No, clear. Let me select this vertical. Second option, see all vertical, say OK. Now apply again fillet, select this face and upper edge, and it will select all tangent line. And one more here. Choose here multiple radius. Now select this edge also, and here define this edge. .69. Okay. Now see, let me apply some color so we will get the idea. See, don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.